In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an email account from Outlook. Before we start, a quick note on what this process does. Removing an account from Outlook disconnects it from the Outlook app on your computer. It doesn't delete the email account with your provider, and it won't erase messages stored on the server for IMAP and Exchange accounts. If you use PAW-P and chose to store mail only on your computer, consider backing up important messages first. With that in mind, let's get started. First, open Outlook from your desktop. Give it a moment to load fully so everything in the interface is available. If Outlook asks you to sign in, go ahead and log in so you can access your settings. If you use multiple profiles, make sure you're in the one that contains the account you want to remove. Next, look to the top right of the Outlook window for the Settings gear icon. Click it to open the Quick Settings pane. This is where Outlook centralizes most of the app's controls in newer versions. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. The key is to find the gear icon and open the Settings area where accounts are managed. Inside Settings, navigate to Accounts, then Your Accounts. You should see a list of all email accounts currently connected to Outlook on this profile. Take a moment here to identify the exact account you plan to remove. Double-check the email address, especially if you have similar names or multiple work and personal accounts. Removing the wrong one can disrupt your workflow, so it's worth confirming. When you found the right account, select Manage next to it. This opens the management options specific to that account, including syncing, server details, and removal controls. Review what you see to ensure you're working with the correct mailbox. From there, choose Remove. This action tells Outlook to disconnect that mailbox from the app. You may see a confirmation prompt or a brief note explaining what will happen to your mail, calendar, and contacts tied to that account. That's normal, and it's designed to make sure you understand the change. After removal, the account will no longer send or receive in Outlook, and its folders will disappear from your sidebar. The underlying mailbox with your email provider remains intact, and you can add it back later if needed. That's all there is to it. You've removed an email account from Outlook cleanly and safely. If you plan to remove your default account, be aware that Outlook will switch to another available account automatically. And if you later want the account back, simply add it again through the same accounts area. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.